Today we would like to be interviewing 3 people to ask them about Flux Pro AI, the functions and the design and interface of Flux Pro AI. My group has 3 members. My name is Nur alias SAFIAH binti SHAMSUL. My registration number is 01DDT23F1059.
My name is NUHA binti Sharifuddin. My registration number is F1102.
My name is YUSNITA binti FADZIL. My matrix number 01DT23F1020. So I would like to interview our guest to gather feedback on the Flux Pro dashboard. So I will invite my guest. So can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Edina.
Hi Edina, thank you for taking the time to talk with me today. So my questions focusing on the design and interface about the dashboard. So my first question is, what was your initial impressions of the design and layout of the Flux Pro dashboard when you first assessed it?
My initial impression was quite positive. The dashboard feels modern and visually appealing, with a clean layout that makes it easy to focus on the content.
Oh, I see. My second question is about navigation. How easy was it to navigate the through different sections of the dashboard? Were there any specific areas you feel lost or confused?
Personally, I found the navigation relatively straightforward. The main section are well labeled, but I struggle a bit with finding some advanced features that are nested in submenus.
So my last question is about aesthetic. How would you rate the overall aesthetic of the dashboard? Are there any specific design elements like color, fonts, and icons that you particularly like or dislike?
Overall, I like the aesthetic. The color scheme is pleasant, but some icons feel a bit outdated. A more cohesive style would enhance the experience.
Thank you for your feedback. Is there anything else you'd like to add about the Flux Pro dashboard that we didn't cover?
The dashboard works well on my laptop, but I noticed some elements don't resize properly on my tablet, which can go frustrating when I'm on the go.
Your input is incredibly valuable and we'll be using it to improve our product. So I will pass the interview to my friends NUHA.
Okay, I will invite my special guest. Okay, please introduce yourself first.
Hello everyone, my name is Afrina.
Okay, Afrina, I want to ask you a few questions. Have you had any problem with the interface responsiveness? How does the dashboard operate across multiple devices and screen size?
The dashboard works great on my PC. However, there are several parts that do not resize appropriately in my tablet, on my tablet, which is inconvenient. Because usually when I'm traveling, uh, PC is heavier, so I rather brought my tablet with me along.
Okay, thank you for your answer. The next question is, do you want to change any features of the dashboard design? For example, like layout or the themes? What specific adjustment will you recommend?
I would like to be able to customize the dashboard layout. For example, we can resize the widgets or we can drag and drop the widgets to organize the information that I view. That will be useful.
Okay, thank you, Afina. Thank you for spending time with us for this interview.
Welcome.
I will pass to my friend ALIAH to continue.
Thank you, NUHA and Afrina. So today I would like to invite my guest. Please turn on the camera. Please introduce your name.
Hi guys, my name is Izati.
Okay, so Zati, I would like to ask you some questions about the functions of the Flux Pro AI. The first question is, how clear and intuitive were the dashboard's features for you? Were any capabilities difficult to comprehend or use?
Mm, the majority of features are straightforward and intuitive. However, I originally struggled to understand the analytic part. Some tooltips or a brief tutorial could be useful for new users.
Okay, so the second question is about utility. Which functions are the most useful in your everyday tasks? Do you think anything are missing or might be improved?
The reporting tool is the most valuable to me because it saves a lot of time. However, I believe that adding a feature for custom report generating will make it even better.
I see. So, what about the performance of the Flux Pro AI? How quickly and consistently do the functionalities work? Did you run into any technical problems while utilizing any specific features?
The functions generally operate well, although I've seen some slowness when importing larger datasets, which can disrupt my workflow.
Okay, so the last question I will be asked is, how useful are dashboards data management tool, for example, uploading, exporting, and filtering data? What enhancement would you recommend?
The data management tools are useful, but I would like to see more filtering possibilities. Being able to filter data in greater detail will enable me to make more educated decisions.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your answers with all of us. Okay,
Welcome.
so I will be passing to my friend again, Nuha.
Okay, I will invite again my special guest just now. Please come in. Okay, Afrina, I want to ask you about function in this website. How easy was it to locate help or support if you need it while using a particular feature? Were there assistant resources enough or clear?
Finding help is reasonably simple, as there are help area provided. But it might use more extensive guide. Sometimes I prefer video tutorial over visual learning.
I see. I think my skills or my yeah, like you. Okay, that's all from us for this interview. Thank you.